Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to install YouTube app to your MacBook. So if you want to install the YouTube app to your MacBook, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser. Next, you want to go ahead and navigate to youtube.com. Now once the YouTube page loads up, at the top right here, you're looking for this icon here, just next to the star. Go ahead and hover over it and you'll see install YouTube. So to install the YouTube app, go ahead and click on that. This will now ask you if you want to install the app. So we'll go ahead and tap on install. Now, as you can see, it has installed the YouTube app. So you have a dedicated YouTube player on your MacBook OS. And from here, you can go ahead and browse and watch videos on YouTube. So there you go, guys. That is how to install the YouTube app to your MacBook.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.